Hello! Hello, everybody! Hello! Hello! Today, we are working on what some may call tree generation, but I call it generation tree. Yeah. Should you get a midnight snack? Yes. What am I eating? I'm not eating anything right now. I was taking a sip of a drink, but that was it. So we have this whole list of scripts right here from when I was working on tree generation rewrite. And we have tree chopping, but all of this is going to be deleted. All of it. I'm deleting all of it. I'm very mad at it because it's not working. So I thought, well, you know, we'll just start over, and as you may or may not know, I did do the same tree generation chopping system in Godot. So we're just gonna make those changes that I know about, and hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it'll work. I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. But let's see. So there's a few things we have to do. First is go to one of these, this, and gosh, there's so many things I don't like about this. We're just gonna have to do it correctly. We're just gonna have to do it correctly. I'm assuming the tree class, where's that at? Right here. Oh, right here. Alright, so first things first, in order to do what we want to do, hang on a second here. It's like all this code right here. Break from middle. Break from top. Create loose tree. I'm gonna comment all that. And I need to figure out, here we go. We have this starting C-frame thing. And that's no bueno. We don't like that, and the reason we don't like that is because that's relative to world space and not local space. So we are going to change that. So instead of this starting C-frame thing being like this, we're gonna say self starting C-frame is C-frame.new. C-frame offset. No. Yeah. No, model C-frame will be CF. And then when we call render full right here. Model pivot to self dot. What did we just call that? I forget what we already called it. Model C-frame, I think. Yeah. Yeah, and then we have to go define it right here just to be safe. And then write Here, we define that. Alright, let me read chat here. Was the new tree... Okay, hang on. Will the new tree gen allow raw trees to save on plots? Yes. Love seeing new updates made. That's great. New UI when? New UI for what? Hey, who for hi? Hello. Excited for this. You understand none of this. Chocolate chips. I want chocolate chips. Alright, let's see if this worked. Oh. Content index. Oh. I meant to do tree model, not model. My studio froze. After we get tree gen done, there's some things I want to do for rock generation that will make it more optimized too, which I'm pretty excited about. If I didn't already do it, and I don't think I already did do it, so... Okay. So hopefully this is correct. It will know if the trees are not all... Okay. Okay. Something tells me that's not right. You know, it's just a little hunch. It's just a hunch. What? What is going on here? Just a hunch. I know why though. Do I know why? Yeah, I know why. How do we fix this? The reason that happens is because the pivot point is in the center. And the reason the pivot point's in the center is because there's no bottom part to signify the bottom. I know what we'll do. I wonder if we could get away... No. Alright, let's see if that fixes it. Should. Put your camera into the floor for extra candy canes and chop them to the ground. There we go. I think that was a there we go moment. Yeah. So now they're correctly in the right spots, and according to them, they're still at like 0, 0. For their like actual mathematics part, they're in 0, 0. So now what we need to do is we need to create the tree chopping, and do that, we're gonna create a cut, right? Here. There we go. Did it? Okay, yeah. So the way this works is there's this imaginary table or a list of data pretty much, right? And that list of data holds all of the information about the tree. So this every part of a tree is called a segment. So this right here, this is a segment. This is a segment. This is a segment. And the way that the tree works is the table links these together. So it says, here's my children. This is my child right here. And it says, oh, well, this one's my child, right? But then we get to the split right here where it splits off. And this one actually says, well, this is my child, and my other child is also this. So this one has two childs, right? So if we're cutting right here, we need to cut out from this giant table we have, this part right here. So what we would do is we would actually duplicate this entry right here, because we need to duplicate it because we have to create this bottom part and this top part. In a way, we're like creating another object, another segment. So we would effectively we would chop out this right here. This would be like sliced out. But then we have a problem. When we do this, we have a problem. According to this object, this is the origin. Right here. This is the origin. And when we chop this, you would think the new origin would be here for this top piece right here. For this, all of this, this would be the new origin, but it's not. According to this is still the origin. So all of these positions that are assigned for these segments will all be relative this origin rather than this origin, which is what we want it to be. So that's kind of the problem we have to solve. And that's a lot of fun. Not really. Who subscribed? It didn't pop up. Oh, there we go. Thank you for subscribing. Anyways. Now we have to solve that problem. So I think the easiest way, there's 3 different ways of chopping a tree. You're chopping, okay, so if a tree splits off into like 2 pieces, right? It has 2 pieces where it splits. There's 3 different ways you can chop it. You can chop it from the center, which is like anywhere here, here, here. Those are centerpiece chops. Now if we chop from the top of this segment where it splits, we need to drop these 2 pieces individually. And then there's also chopping from the bottom, which will only chop this piece off and delete this bottom piece right here. Because if you chop higher up, there'll be like a little stub. But if you hit the very bottom, you don't want there to be a stub because it's so small. So there's middle, top, and bottom. That's 3 different things we need to account for as well. So the bottom chunk is the parent for the second segment. Yeah, so I'll do it with arrows. Think of it kind of like arrows, pretty much. This arrow saying, this is my child. This arrow says, this is my child. And this arrow says, these are my children. So this arrow's children are these 2 arrows right here. So it's kind of like this. It's called a tree, technically. This is a little confusing. The table for our tree generation is a tree of segments. It's kind of hard to explain that because I'm saying the tree, well, the tree uses a tree. You get what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you didn't see what I just drew. Oh my gosh. I mean, let me actually show. Here. I'll draw it again. I was drawing these arrows, and you guys didn't see them because I turned off the display capture. Okay, so this is what I meant about the arrows. This arrow points to this arrow points to this arrow, and this arrow points to these arrows. So it's like saying, it's pointing to its children. So this one's pointing to its children. Its child is this. This one's pointing to its child. It's this. And they're all like under each other. So this links to this. This links to this, right? This links to this, and this links to this. And then this is the list. This is what contains it all. So this is like the actual tree class, and it holds all of these trees. There we go. Okay, let's get started now that we have explained it, and, you know, brain reminder for myself as well. Let's start by creating the break from middle again. We're gonna rewrite it. We're gonna remove this comment because I don't believe it anymore. We're gonna delete this. Wait, what was clone segment? Ah, I see. Alright, so actually, I'm pretty happy with... all of this, actually. I'm wondering how creating a loose tree works. Like, this is all for creating a loose tree. And that's a suspicious amount of stuff. Like, loop reparent. I think instead of creating these instances, we're gonna regenerate them. I know that's not the best for performance, but I think it's the safest. Adios, goodbye. Good boy. Yeah, so... Oh, this makes this so hard for me. Maybe we're not gonna do that. I'm kind of curious why we don't instead you know what it is? we're gonna have this cloned instance. Oh, okay. I see now. Well, thanks for subscribing. Cloned parent. Let's see what happens when we chop the tree. I just want to see. No, I know what will happen though. We're gonna start over. I need to stop reading the old code. Okay. We don't want to pivot it to the segment C-frame. I want to pivot it to the segment C-frame times. No, wait, how does segment C-frame work? Oh. Okay, so yeah, segment C-frame is the middle. We don't want that. There we go. We'll remove the leaves for now. Why do we assign color indexes to this? I don't really know. I'll comment that out because that doesn't make sense at all either. Variant makes sense. Size doesn't make sense either. Does self-taught C-frame even get used? It doesn't. Comment that out. So this is like stuff that just didn't make sense. You feel like making a tree system for fun too? Go for it. Oh, where should you get started? You should get started by trying to make parts grow on top of each other. That's what I would say. Try to make a part growing system where the parts can stack on top of each other recursively. Do I have any plans for Christmas? I do. I don't really want to talk about my plans though, just for privacy reasons. If you get what I mean. That should be nil. Okay. So we create the loose tree. Great. Now let's just fix whatever this is. Top size, top CF. Bottom size, bottom CF. That makes sense. And then in here, I'm gonna do that for now. Gonna remove these for now. Alright, let's see. Let's see how this works. Objects. Material. Loose tree forms. I'm gonna give that collision for a moment here. Just because I want to see if it'll, you know, work. Hopefully it works. Okay, we got an error. Something makes nil with Y. Ah. It's because we didn't provide that stuff. I guess... let's figure this out then. Let's say... what do we say? Here are instances from the segments. Okay. If segment.instance, then segment.instance destroy, and then we set it to nil. Great. If segment.segments, then for I segment in pairs do segments instances segments. Well, here, let's name this child segment. If segment dot leaves, then You're surprised I'm showing all the code like this? Yeah, I'm not really worried about it. Yeah, right. You need all the scripts, the functionality. I mean, you could use this to learn. And, you know, I encourage that. You want to use it to learn? Use it to learn. I say that's good. There we go. So we remove it from the tree list. And then we create a loose tree out of it. This would be like our temporary code. Just to see what happens. If it doesn't error. Hopefully it doesn't error. Please. Okay. The entire tree is gone. That error is because I hit the base. It was. My only issue is the trees just... Oh, I know why. Because it's spawning at 0, 0. We need to correctly pivot it. Where was it here? Create loose tree. Yeah, so we have to do self dot model C-frame. I guess we could do self dot model get pivot. That would be more accurate. Yup. Alright, let's see if that works. We have free camera for the building. I'm not sure yet how that's gonna work. About that new car you've seen over streams. When does it release? I don't know when it's gonna release. Probably next year. Sometime next year. I don't really have a date for it yet, unfortunately. Okay, that spawned where we wanted it to. That's good news. Now, the thing is, although it did spawn where we wanted it to, these offset C-frames are now incorrect. So we have to do another thing. And I think it's going to be called... Well, hang on. Create loose tree. We'll have to create a new... thing for where we want it to spawn. So we create loose tree, but we also want... C-frame. Or C-frame. Because the reason we want to do that is because we're going to be changing how this works. Local spawn C-frame would be this. And then we want to say we clear the instances in self reset offset or change offset to spawn C frame for this. And I think we just take the segment.c frame and times it by the inverse of spot or inverse of CF. I think. Let me go read this real quick. All right. So I don't really know how we're gonna know if this worked. I don't know how I would know. I guess we'll do a test piece of code real quick. Like that. Let's just try that, I think. Self-taught segments 1. Yeah, hopefully that'll work. Alright, let me chat. Hello, floofy plasma. Always trails an error. Yep. How's it going? It's going. Oh, 1 second. Load. Damn click. Alright. I'm gonna assume it didn't work. It's all the way over there. I think I know how to fix this though. Maybe. Okay, hang on. Let's do like some little test scene right here with some parts. We'll go to 0, 0, 0, just make this easier. So we're changing the offset. So let's say we have this right here. That's 5 studs. But we want to change it to be in the middle. Okay, so print game selection. Oh, print game dot selection get 1 C-frame times game dot selection get 2 dot C-frame inverse. That seems right. Oh, I need to remove that. Also, that doesn't matter for the issue though. Oh, that needs to be different. But that shouldn't have mattered either. Let's look at this. Maybe it's because I'm doing this C-frame backwards. That was probably it. I did it backwards. Maybe. I hope. I hope this is why. More types of light, like for fluorescent lights. What do you mean by fluorescent lights? Like pre-built ones? Is that what you're saying? Rather than selling neon lights? Kind of like the ones in the store? Like, you want these? The entire model? Gray part and all? Nil with inverse. Oh, dang it. Still not working. Maybe... Oh, I know why. because this is wrong. We want to change the offset to be the segment, this part, just this part. Hi, one Manger Gamer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's such good news. This is great, guys. This is great. So now, we remove that collision part and the querying from it. Okay. Now, we say segment.cframe equals top cframe. Segment.size is top size. Hi, Daily. Where the drawbridge people go? If you want to be specific, they're underground. Technically. They're gonna be added back somewhere eventually. I don't really have an answer for where or when, but they're under the ground right now. If you find a way to get there, you can get to them. I don't know how, but people find a way usually, so. Okay, that part spawns right where I click. And it's the right size, I think. So this will be like a tiny sliver. Oh, yeah. That was not the right direction. I don't think. No, it wasn't. That's not an oh yeah moment. This is not oh yeah. This is not an oh yeah. This is not an oh yeah. This is the opposite of an oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh no. They're all like that. Okay, think. Think, Hoofer. I really thought we had it there with the inverse. Maybe let's do it the way I think will work. What's the goal for a moment? We're trying to spawn that little plank part right where I click. And that gray part is supposed to be a visual of what the beginning of the tree part will be. And we have to make sure that all is lined up perfectly. That will ensure that the trees will save correctly and be able to be chopped correctly when we get to that part. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, so that that worked, but oh, I needed to see that. No, that's fine. See that? Why is it upside down? Oh, I bet I'm doing it backwards. Yeah, I'm doing it backwards. New live stream intro? I dig it. Well, I want to see it when it's done. Okay. Okay. We created a part. Oh, the part's going across the map. It looks centered. Let's go chop a weird side branch that's like angled. Yeah, that'll do. It's centered. Centered. Okay. That's progress. Now we just have to fix it where this errors, and make the top piece stay. So like that should stay. Yeah. Let's delete this. We don't need that anymore. I feel like we're getting pretty good progress here compared to what was happening before. So this can be this, this, this. Get rid of this. I don't know why that was like that. I also don't know why this was like this here. None of that. And then we can clone the segment. Get rid of the instance reference. Do this. Get rid of this. Comment that. No, just delete that. Okay. We don't need that anymore. We don't need this. And then instead of doing this to this and this, we'll set the top size here. Let's see frame here. This should be clone segment, clone segment, clone segment. We can delete this. We have to put this. You keep that there, I think. We'll see. Oh, hang on. What's going on, chat? Why so many presents? What do you mean, for Christmas update? You like the music inside the store? You're violently ill. That's no good. Okay. We messed something up with the code. It's something with the offsetting. Let's go undo some code. Just to see where we set this. We set it before everything. Okay. And that's still what we're doing. No, it's not. I want to know why this instance still is being deleted. Oh my gosh. That's why. I forgot to change that right there. You like to stream? That's good to know. Okay, why did it still delete? That's what I'm not understanding. It removes the reference right here. You know what? I'm not gonna do the table clone thing. I'm gonna just write it myself. To do color index. Like that. Chop lines. We'll not worry about that right now. Parent, we don't have a parent for it. And none of this other stuff should matter. Yeah. Let's test. You know, the reason it could be disappearing is because... Oh my god. I know why. That it wasn't me cloning it. I just realized why. I'm gonna undo all that. I want to keep the cloning. Oh, thanks for subscribing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, so the reason it wasn't working is because I'm setting the instance C-frame right here. It should be like that. Oh yeah. No way. Guys, this is immense progress. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, we just have to make the tree generate for the chopped piece. Let's do that. I'm so happy. I think literally all we have to do is copy this right here. Just push render stack. Not push render stack. Everything but the push render stack. Actually, no, we do want the push render stack. This. What was it? This and push render. I'm deleting all this code. Of that information. I might have just deleted that. No, right here. Okay. Okay. Alright. Hopefully it doesn't error. I would have cried having the code deleted. Yeah, exactly. I'm pretty sure it's gonna error, but we'll see. Yeah, I know why. I'm frozen, by the way. That's why I'm not typing. It's just frozen. Unfrozen. Yay. Final product is internal. You guys want to see a meme Lucas made? Or keep your socks on made, I mean? How can I show this? Here we go. Here's a meme. Keep your socks on, mate. For Oaklands on TikTok. For our TikTok that we're trying out. Hang on, let me turn the line down. Alright, here we go. Yeah. It's a pretty funny meme. I thought it was pretty funny. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. No flippin' way. That part doesn't work, but oh my gosh. The leaves are also very heavy, I think. I want to go hit a bigger tree. Let me go hit a palm tree. See what happens. I forgot, there's not many trees actually ported over. But nonetheless... Nonetheless, one thing I need to do for performance is not... Oh my gosh, my microphone just went flying. I slammed my knee into it. Oops. Okay. Oops. There we go. I think that's good. That should help. I think that'll help with performance. I'm not sure. We'll see. Alright, now let's do... First, make rid of all this. So the code reduction... I mean, it's not too bad. This was the old code right here. This is the new code. I mean, I guess it's a lot more because of these two helper functions we have. let's do this part now. The break from middle. I literally think all I have to do is just change the word tree model. And do we have a create list tree? No, we don't. I think I just have to literally add this code and I think it'll work. Self-let name isn't a thing. Oh, no, it's just variant. And then let me move this up here. If it's this simple, I'm gonna be so happy. Let's see. You know how to you know how you for do you how do you how do I sit in my chair? How do I sit in my chair? Like a crazy person. I do not sit normally half the time. And it makes it hard for me to get close to my microphone because my knee is like in my face. Okay, what are you doing? Why? Oh, it's because the weld, because of the weld. Sit head first. Yeah. That weld, that darn weld. I always knew that was gonna be the death of me. Not really. If segment.instance find first child weld, then okay, well, hang on. I love this song, by the way. Okay, that's kind of, yeah. No. There we go. Okay. Come on, let me teleport. Good. Why is it doing that? You see that? You guys see that? You saw that, right? Yeah. It like... Yeah. You saw that? It's not positioning this thing at the right spot. I don't think. Like phasing into it. I don't know why. But it only happens with this. Why? Why? Spawn C-frame. Good pivot. I'm not gonna call the unanchor function. I'm gonna wait. What's the average day like for me? I'm not really sure. Okay, that was perfect. That was not perfect. No, wait. That was also perfect. They are perfect. I wonder if it's like some collision thing going off. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's for me. Let me try not doing that right there. Maybe that's why. Maybe it was like pushing it. Where did I comment out the on anchor? Wait, what did I just comment out here? That was... Oh, wrong thing. We comment out this. Well, actually, we don't comment out. Now we do it. It's gonna work this time, guys, right? It's gonna work? It's gonna work. It always works. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It is perfect. I have to take a video and send this. Because it is marvelous. It is stupendous. Can't believe we did it. Well, we did part 1 of like 15. Sorry, I was taking a drink. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe. So now, this is what I was talking about, by the way. If I want to break this... Oh. Okay, yeah, so break from bottom. I have these functions written, I forgot, but they don't exist, so that's why they're erroring. So like, if we break right here, we don't want it to just create this as a whole segment. Kind of like how that would happen. We don't want it to do that. That's bad. What we want it to do is we want it to take all of these pieces. So if I hit right here, we want to take all these pieces and turn them into their own loose wood piece, if that makes sense. What if instead of leaves falling off, their transparency was turned to 0 or 1? I would like that. We could try and do that, yeah. We might as well make it look better while we can, you know. Guys, I'm really happy with what we have so far. I'm really happy. I just want to come out and say it. I'm really happy. Let's do that break from top now. Honestly, we might be able to just copy these. No, there's gonna be some work. I'll start with top first, because I know top is probably gonna be the easiest. Delete this comment, because I don't know how true it is anymore. I think it might be that simple. Let's go try it out. I like a Daly's GIF? Yes. I regret looking at that GIF. I wish I never seen that GIF, even though I've already seen it before, but I wish I never seen it before. After looking at it zoomed in from opening it in my web browser, and I want to be honest with you, I knew before I clicked it, it was gonna be that GIF, right? It worked first try, guys. First try. First try. That is insane. We're just that good. First try. I sent that flying. Why can I do that? Wait, oh god. How did I do that? I don't understand. I don't know if I'm gonna watch any other of your stream before Christmas, so just want to say happy holidays to you and thanks for the great updates. No problem. Happy holidays to you too. I should join the VC. I don't know if I want to join the VC. Whoa, wait, what? How do you have those like status? Okay. Are the trees also frictionless? They're not, so I don't know why that was happening. Alright, so now, let's do break from bottom. Alright, let's see. Is it possible that axes snap to segment ends when near them? I mean, I could do that. Technically, they already, you don't really need it because it's like a threshold. But I mean, I guess it wouldn't hurt. A visual indicator to know that you're snapping. Alright, I need daytime. So if we hit like right here. No, flipping way. If I hit here again, yeah. Great. It just works. So if I hit, what about if I hit back down here? That's awesome. Now we just have to move it on over to the other tree gen. Which I think I can literally just copy and paste it 1-to-1. I think I can literally just copy, go to here, paste, and then replace tree model with model. And I think it'll just work. Oh, you know what? Break from bottom I don't think it's gonna work. That parent thing, that's not gonna work, because, well, maybe it will work, because technically it'd still be nil. Or maybe the parent needs to be cleared from when I duplicate. We'll see. Great. Now if we hit from a bottom, yes. Okay. Yeah, hitting from the bottom. See how that piece drops? That's because the parent's still assigned. That's a bug. That's actually a memory leak waiting to happen. Pretty easy fix though. We just go to here. No, we don't go to here. We put it in here. Let's try. I hate nighttime. I'm gonna actually make it so, I mean this is fixed by the way. Whoa. Whoa. What in the, what? 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 Huh? What? I don't... What? What? How? I don't under... Is that... What the heck? Why does that happen? What? I don't understand. I don't... Can that happen with, like... I don't get it. I don't get it. I just don't. My mind just doesn't. Let's get these leaves off. Hang on. Where'd the tree go? Wait, everything's falling apart. Everything was going so good. And then, no. Oh, it's because those don't have parents anymore. Okay. But why? Why? A few questions. Why is... Okay, let me... get rid of all these. I don't want them. Leaveless tree. What? Huh? Where did you come from? Why are you like this? The leaf just appeared from thin air. You know, you're at wherever. Wait, what? Okay. No. Okay, no. Oh, there's another one. We got another one. We caught ourselves another one. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Right. That makes total sense. Okay, all the leaves are gone. So if I do that again, nope, there's just another leaf. Okay. Right. That, yeah. Okay. Right. Because that's a tree. That's what a tree... I was so happy. You know, I was so happy until everything fell apart, you know? Till everything fell apart, and now my life is ruined. It really... It really is. Okay. We are going to... Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Looks good to me. So... I'm assuming it's just some C-frame inaccuracy thing, but I'm so worried that this is gonna be a problem in the future. Also, what happened to that tree, like, vanishing at one point? We don't really know why that happened, do we? No, we do know why that happened. That was because I was hitting the bottom. Good night, Jack. Hope you get better. Alright. Break. Amazing. Break again. Amazing. That is not good. It just happens. So we're clearing the instances for the segment when we break from bottom. Clear instances goes right here. And it says that this is yeah, the parent segment. But no, it doesn't check if it's nil. Even though we're clearing it. Oh, it's because I'm not returning at the right spot. Yeah, that'll do it. I think that's why. Bing, 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 bing. Blam. Blam, why is your name so familiar? Are you in the Discord? Maybe you just have a different profile picture? And that's why? I don't remember. That's gotta be it. Uh-oh. It says this doesn't exist. did that happen? Was it this? No. Was it this? No. How? How? What? No, this is not good. I need to know how it happened. Oh, I just did it again. I'm breaking a bottom piece? Is it because I'm calling destroy and there's no parent? Back to looking. Oh, wait, hang on. I need to go test something else. I wish I didn't exit. Alright. So, we know that hitting this from the bottom destroys the tree. If we hit this from the bottom, okay. Okay. Yeah, right. Right, okay. Why? That's kind of my question, you know? Why? You get what I mean? Why? Kind of like that big question. Why? Oh. Okay. That was why that was happening. But now the new question is, why was it destroying when it was nil? Right there. That would be because this was in the wrong spot. That's why. No. That's why. And this also is having the same problem. Probably. Alright. Great. Duh. Just went flying. Why is it going flying forward like that now? Oh my gosh. I don't understand. You see what I mean? It like... can't describe it. Other than it's like it's moving forward. Why do trees glow, specifically oak trees? It's a Roblox bug. The underglow, you can actually see it during the daytime. You can see it right now even. It's... I don't... So you can see it's like right there. Or I don't know. Yeah, right there. It's like an underglow. It's really strange. I don't know why it happens, but it's most notable at nighttime. You see how there's like that shadow? It like inverses almost. It's so strange. All the trees do it, really. Even the... Oh, you can't see where I'm pointing. Even these right here. If I go to the beach, these don't do it. That's what's so strange. And I feel like it has something to do with the leaves. It needs to be that nighttime again. It's like perfect time when it's night. So it's like something to do with these leaves, but I don't know why. Could it be the material? See, it has nothing to do with the material. It's just like that. Could it have something to do with the... Could it have something to do with the mesh? You see, no, it's not, like, it's nothing. It just has that weird glow. And I don't really know why. I wonder if I change... I have one idea. Uh-oh. So yeah, that glows back again. I wonder if I change... Oh, I can't change it on runtime. I wonder if I change this collision fidelity thing. And it shouldn't matter because these never have collision. So I'm gonna try. Because you made me curious, now I want to see. Because this underglow thing, it's really strange. And I wish I knew why it happened, but I don't. Huh. I guess I fixed it. See, you can even see it happens right here. You see how it happens right here? Does it happen right there? I think that is happening right there. Well, I fixed it with the trees, I guess. Might be cool. It's not the ambient lighting, it's a Roblox bug. I discussed this with my developer friend. It happened with his mesh too. But setting the collision to be box fixed it. This box collision thing fixes a lot of things. I don't really know why it fixes it, but there's also this other issue where the parts will get really dark shadows, right? Insanely dark shadows if they're big parts. And setting it to box collision is what fixed it. So that's kind of why I tried that, and I am amazed that actually worked. Like, I'm actually really surprised. I want to go get this magnetite from my collection of magnetite. Technically having the collision box does improve performance for touch events, but I don't really know how often that happens, if at all. That's it though. But they do have no collision, so there's no physics being solved other than collision detection for touched events, which, again, doesn't exist for these. But I mean, it might have done something, I don't really know. Oh my gosh, it's the typical developers in the Hoofer, what is this, live stream chat? Oh my gosh, it's the real typical developers. Hang on, I gotta mod it. Add as moderator, standard moderator. Alright, there, now it's mod. I wonder if we can just, instead of doing this unanchor function, I kind of just wanna. What happens if I set this to false? I feel like that'll help with performance slightly. Do I add aquatic life? I want to add aquatic life eventually. I just don't know if we'll get to it right now. There's other stuff I want to do first. We'll see. Okay, something's anchored. Dang it. I made the trees, or not trees, leaves. I post my tree gen source code. Eventually. Fishing definitely would be cool. I'm so excited to add fishing. I'm very excited to add fishing. Why? Why are you still anchored? What's me? It's this piece. It's literally that piece. Okay. I love Stardew Valley music. Alright. Yeah, whenever I chop from the bottom is when things start to get wacky. I feel like. Let me try this again without chopping from the bottom. Maybe I'm just like crazy. I was crazy once. Yeah, I'm just crazy. It's doing that on its own right now. I don't really know if I can fix that. I think it might just be a physics thing. Let me re-enable anchoring. We'll just re-enable it real quick. And we'll click on the tree a bunch and see if things move. Maybe I have to like deactivate the weld and reactivate it after moving it? I don't know. Something happened there. Yeah, I think that might be the problem. Because that looks perfect. But that's slightly off. And that's what was like pushing it, I feel like. I'm trying to think in my head of why. Let me break this. And see what would happen if we broke one of these. Those are actually perfect. Let me break one of these and break a bottom and see what happens. It leads me to think that it's something to do with, like, wow. That should have been way different. Because these are... Yeah, it's just like that should have been down more. If it was like that, it would have been perfect. Not like that. All right, let's look. You know, Roblox Studio. You tried it, you can't code, just build. I mean, it's fun. I guess. It's fun. It's hard, yeah. It's definitely hard to get started with. I mean, I've been doing it for a long time, so, you know, that's kind of why. Not as hard for me anymore. I feel like it has something to do with these welds. I'm gonna remove the weld code and just see what happens. See if it's an issue with the welds. And maybe it is, maybe it isn't. We'll find out. We'll find out. I feel like it might be the weld coding. The entire tree is gone. I don't know why, but it is. Yeah, why? Why? You know? Why? It is just in the ether. All I did was remove the part where it would do the weld. Oh, I think I know. Well, maybe? No, maybe? No. Why? Hmm. I think I might have to end stream and we'll like come back to this tomorrow. Because it's 2:30 in the morning for me and I feel like we've got good enough progress where I should just empty my mind and think about it tomorrow. So yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's it. What song can we play for the end? We'll play Relic, the new Minecraft song. But yeah, I'm ending stream now. This is my goodbye. My goodbye for everybody. Thank you for watching for however long you watched, whether it be 5 minutes, 2 hours, whatever. You know. Have a good night, morning, evening. Goodbye. Or goodbye. Goodbye.